Hi all, myself Dr. Chetali Matthew, and today we are going to study about the topic how to extract protein database of phosphoprotein P of swine parainfluenza virus 3. This topic is in syllabus of MSc 4th Biotechnology and in paper Bioinformatics. So here is how we can extract a database from a website. Here we can see the website which I have chosen is NCBI, that is National Center for Biotechnology Information. And as you can see on the screen, it is written all databases. All databases means it has a variety of databases like nucleotide, protein, PDB, and many other, which we can obtain the information from it. So next thing is we have to type which type of database we have to extract. So we have to extract protein database of swine parainfluenza virus protein P. After typing this and hitting the search button, we obtain this. This window consists of a selected protein database, which first of two are related to our protein phosphoprotein P from swine parainfluenza virus 3. Here it indicates that it has 596 amino acids. It has an accession number of, that is ACA 24942.2. It is a very unique number that is provided to every sequences which are obtained in the NCBI. Here you can see also that the other interrelated databases are present. That is, if we have to see the identical proteins related to it, we have to just click on the identical proteins button, or we have to extract the FASTA file, which we'll do later. We have to click on the FASTA. When we have to obtain a file, that is a database or that is a worksheet, we generally take the FASTA files. These FASTA files comes in this format. That is, they have first accession number, then source accession number, then source name, then organism's name, then family of the organism, references. These are the references which are taken from various research papers to make this database. Below we can see proteins. These proteins carry 1 to 596 amino acid sequences, and CDS region, that is coding sequences regions, are mostly present in this. These coding sequences regions are from region 1 to 596 because it is a protein. If we click on the nucleotide database, we might get some non-coding protein also, but here it is not the case. Then to obtain the FASTA file, we have to click on the FASTA button. By clicking this, we will get a new page, that is this. This is the new page that we have obtained by clicking FASTA. In this, we have to choose first. We have to obtain the FASTA file, which we will get in TXT format or Word format. We have to click on the button that is given on the right side on the upper part, that is send to. By clicking this, we get the destination. Destination is file. Which type of format we are going to download, that is FASTA format. And by clicking that, we have to create a file. By clicking on creating a file, we will get this sequence. This is the fastest sequence or result that we got after create file. This sequence is similar one, and I have shown this one because if you want to click or if you want to obtain a graphic of the phosphoprotein P swine parainfluenza virus 3, then here is the yellow one, that is graphics. We have to click on that one for obtaining the graphic of this protein. And in next slide, this is the graphic of phosphoprotein P swine parainfluenza virus 3. Here we can see regions that are conserved regions and protein features which will obtain from this. So basically this is a simple protocol which will follow to obtain a sequence or a graphic of